that test tube babies. Are you familiar with the term IVF? What do you mean by IVF? Sangeeta.
In vitro fertilization.
Yes, IVF means in vitro fertilization. Let us see what it is. So, before starting, I would like to ask you some questions. Which is the site of fertilization in female reproductive system?
Oviduct.
Why it is called as the site of fertilization? It's because there the male and female reproductive organ fuse to form a zygote. So, because this oviduct is the main part of fertilization, in some cases what happens, this oviduct will be blocked in some women's cases, in that this sperms can't go inside and fuse with the egg. So in that cases doctor will take out the fresh released eggs and they will collect the sperms and they will and keep them for together for few hours for IVF, for in vitro fertilization, and sometimes they will inject the sperms into the ovum. Then they will keep the embryo and the sperms together for zygote. About a week they will keep. Then that zygote is allowed to be embryo. So then after the conversion of embryo, the doctor will place this embryo in the mother's uterus and the further development of baby takes place in the mother's uterus. This whole process is called as test tube babies. This term test tube babies is actually misleading because babies are not born in test tubes. They are born usually in the mother's uterus only. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you may ask.